1159, using your results from the previous problems, keeping your toolkit handy. Rewrite each of the following equations in polar form. So y equals negative 2x plus 3. Well, what is y? Y is r sine theta equals negative 2. What is x? That is r cosine theta, and then plus 3. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it all to one side. I need to solve for r, so I need to bring the negative 2r cosine theta over. So remember, the goal is to solve for r. So plus 2r cosine theta. And I'm going to have, and so when I'm trying to bring the r's together so that I can factor it out, factor the r out. So factor out the r, get sine theta plus 2 cosine theta equals 3, and then solve for r. So r equals 3 divided by sine theta plus 2 cosine theta. All right, let's take a look at the next one. So we want to do some rewrites. So what is y again? Y is r sine theta equals, and then x is r cosine theta, and that is squared. So you have to be careful when doing this. So I have to take care of the square. So I'm going to have r sine theta equals r squared, and then cosine squared theta. I have to square each one there. So then I need to solve for r. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to divide off r. So sine theta equals, this one goes with that, and I'm going to have r cosine squared theta. And then I need to go ahead and solve for r. So divide off the cosine squared theta. So r will equal sine theta over cosine squared theta. All right, and then the last one, I have x squared plus y squared. Well, what's x squared plus y squared? That's r squared equals 2, and then x is r cosine theta. Divide off the r, get rid of one of those r's, so this is gone, this is gone. So r equals 2 cosine theta. And that's it for that one.